In this video, I'm going to show the difference between speed and tempo in Audacity. So first off, I recorded a audio clip here and I'm going to play it for you so you'll be able to compare later of what happens when I change speed or tempo. So here's the audio clip. This audio clip is just a sample to show what happens when you change speed or tempo while using Audacity. Okay, so the first thing we'll change is speed. So when you change speed, it's just like increasing the speed of an audio tape. So the pace of the audio increases, and so does the pitch. And let me show you how to do this. So you press Ctrl and A to select the entire audio clip you've got in here. You go to Effects, and then Pitch and Tempo, and then change speed and pitch. So let's say, for this example, I want to change it by 30%. Okay, and I'm going to do the same with tempo later. So let's apply this. And now let's listen to how it sounds.
This audio clip is just a sample to show what happens when you change speed or tempo while using Audacity.
Okay, so as you've heard, the pitch went up by a lot, so I sound like a very pitchy girl in this scenario, okay? Now let me revert this back to our original clip, okay? And now we're going to change tempo. Now tempo simply takes the same piece of audio and squeezes it into a shorter time frame without affecting the pitch at all. So that's very useful if you, for example, are speaking way too slow or way too fast and want to slow it down or speed it up. Now let me show you how to do this as well. You press Ctrl and A again to select the entire audio clip, then go under Effect, Pitch and Tempo, and then Change Tempo. And now percent change is going to be the same as before, so the example is going to be valid. And yeah, then you press apply. And now as you can see, the audio tape shortened, so it means it's sped up, but let's listen to it and hear how it sounds. This audio clip is just a sample to show what happens when you change speed or tempo while using Audacity. Now, as you've heard, the speed increased, but the pitch did not. And yeah, that's the main difference. When you change speed of an audio tape in Audacity, the pitch also changes, so it's not even your voice anymore. But when you change tempo, your voice remains the same, however the speed is much faster or much slower while keeping the same voice. And that's the difference.